Alright, in this video we're going to use the cosine law, or the cosine rule, to find a side given two other sides and an angle. So to start, we're going to use our trick of looking for the v. And you might be thinking, well, what does he mean by look for the v? Right here, we're going to see our v right. This is not going to work. Great, just give me a second, I'll see if this will get it to work. There we go. So there's our v right there. So there's our v, so don't forget to look for the v. When you have the v, that's going to help you identify the information you need. So let's just go with A, B, C. While we're at it, let's label our sides of A. Just going to get my menu to go away. There we go, B and C. Perfect. And we are trying to find how my stylus isn't working again. See if I can get it going. Nope. All right. So we'll just have to believe that that's C. There we go, C. So we know that with the cosine law, A squared equals B squared. I have to conserve room because this is going to be a large formula. Plus C squared minus 2BC multiplied by the cosine of angle A. If you're trying to figure out where I'm getting some of this from and how I did it so quickly off the top of my head, with this formula, it looks a lot to start like the Pythagorean theorem. So this should look like the A squared equals B squared plus C squared equals of Pythagorean theorem. Then minus 2BC, and the BC I just know because of the BC right here, multiplied by the cos of A, which is the opposite angle of the side I'm looking for. So that's how that gets arranged, or how I always remember it so quickly. Next step, I'll insert my values. So here we go. So we know that A squared equals 25 squared plus 24 squared. Oh, come on, stylus, please. Minus, come on, there we go. 2 times 25 times 20. Pressing so hard on this, I'm just going to break my iPad. Multiplied by, there we go, come on, times the cos of 58 degrees. It's going to be a really tight fit, but I'm just going to squeeze it in at the bottom here, 58 degrees, okay. Which equals, I like to do this in stages on my calculator, and I will model that just for this one. You can kind of do this all in one shot, but I'm just going to do this really quickly. So first I'll do 25 squared plus 24 squared. So 25 squared plus 24 squared equals 12,001. Minus, next I'll do 2 times 25 times 24 equals, I got 12,000 minus, or sorry, multiplied by, sorry about that, that's just a little mistake on my part, multiplied by the cos of 58 degrees. There we go, perfect. Now, usually you have to do this part first to abide by BEDMAS, but on my calculator, I believe it'll do that all and play nicely with BEDMAS all at the same time. So 12,001 minus 1201 minus 1200 multiplied by the cos of 58 equals, and I got 565. Oops, not writing with my writer, I'm writing with my laser pointer. There we go. So I got 565.00968. So 0.097. So don't forget that this is what A squared equals. Wow, my stylus does not like me right now. This is what A squared equals. So to find what A equals, we need to make sure to take the root of our a squared value, that turns a squared into just a. And I'll just get the root of that. Just give me 1 second on my calculator. I need to get the second function root of the second function answer equals, and I got 23.77. This might be time for new batteries for the old stylus. Okay, 23.77. And when I look at this compared to my other two sides, so I always like to look back and think to myself, does this 23.77 seem likely? Yep, you know what, our sides are all pretty similar size. And that's how you find the length of a side using the cosine rule or law.